5-process automatic adhesive machine. Feedstock. Glue and trim. And trimming. Chewing. Scraping. Burnishing. Discharge. Widely used for adhesive processing of various materials such as density board, multi-layer board, ecological board, particle board, aluminum honeycomb board, aluminum wood board, acrylic board, etc. Adhesive effect, no glue line, rounded chamfer, beautiful adhesive, suitable for panel furniture, customized furniture, cabinets and wardrobes, office furniture, solid wood furniture, tables, chairs, doors and windows, wooden products, decoration industry, etc. Guangdong manufacturer with a minimum order quantity of 1 unit in stock. Mass production, complete variety. Source manufacturer, supports customization.